Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Transformation under pressure. The method of slow cooking at low temperature is the basis of the sous vide technology, in French, under pressure. The first to come up with the idea of cooking the famous delicacy of foie gras, that is, fatty goose liver. When frying and baking, this expensive product became tough and lost its taste. After weighing it 5 times, because the fat was immediately melted over high heat. Then they decided to put the liver in a bag, seal it, creating a vacuum, and cook it in this form in water heated to 50 degrees. Then they realized that it is also possible to cook hard cuts, keeping them at temperatures from 50 to 90 degrees. Up to 72 hours. For example, beef ribs, a diaphragm, or a flank. As a result, the meat melts in your mouth. By the way, premium pipes are now also sometimes prepared in sous vide, but more in order to give them a richer taste than to affect the texture. After sous vide, the meat is usually fried instantly. Otherwise, its appearance will remain boiled. That's all for today. To be continued. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.